Floral delights. Transform your dining table into a botanical wonderland with fresh flower arrangements. From classic roses to exotic orchids, the options are endless. Choose seasonal blooms for a vibrant touch or opt for timeless white flowers for a chic, sophisticated look. Rustic charm. Embrace the beauty of nature with rustic centerpiece ideas. Arrange a collection of driftwood, pine cones, and wild flowers for a charming woodland vibe. Add a few candles for a warm, inviting ambience that will make every meal feel like a cozy gathering. Modern minimalism. Keep it sleek and stylish with minimalist centerpieces. Opt for simple yet striking designs, such as geometric vases filled with single stems or sculptural candle holders in metallic finishes. Less is more when it comes to modern elegance. Seasonal splendor. Celebrate the changing seasons with themed centerpieces that reflect the time of year. From pumpkins and gourds in the fall to pine cones and evergreen branches in winter, let nature inspire your table decor and create a cozy atmosphere for all to enjoy. Artistic accents. Showcase your creative flair with artistic centerpieces that double as conversation starters. Think unique sculptures, handmade ceramics, or vintage objets d'art that reflect your personal style and add a touch of personality to your dining table. Glamorous glamour. Make a statement with glamorous centerpieces that ooze luxury and sophistication. Incorporate glittering crystal vases, sparkling candle holders, and opulent floral arrangements for a dining experience fit for royalty. Whimsical wonder. Add a playful touch to your dining table with whimsical centerpieces that delight the senses. Think quirky figurines, colorful fruit displays, or DIY terrariums filled with succulents and fairy lights. Let your imagination run wild and infuse your table with joy and whimsy. Candlelit romance. Set the mood for a romantic evening with candlelit centerpieces that exude warmth and intimacy. Arrange pillar candles of varying heights in elegant candle holders, interspersed with delicate floral accents or shimmering votive candles. Let the soft glow of candlelight cast a romantic ambience over your dining table, perfect for intimate dinners or special occasions. Coastal chic. Bring the relaxed vibes of the coast to your dining table with coastal-inspired centerpieces. Incorporate elements like driftwood, seashells, and beach grasses for a laid-back yet stylish look. Add touches of blue and white for a nautical feel, or incorporate sandy hues for a beachy aesthetic that evokes memories of sunny days by the shore. Herbal haven. Infuse your dining table with the fresh scents of herbs by creating herb-centric centerpieces. Arrange pots of fragrant basil, rosemary, and thyme along the center of the table, interspersed with candles or small vases of blooms. Not only will these herbal accents add visual interest, but they'll also tantalize the senses and enhance the dining experience with their aromatic allure. Vintage vibes. Add a touch of old-world charm to your dining table with vintage-inspired centerpieces. Hunt for antique vases, tarnished silverware, and ornate candlesticks at flea markets or thrift stores to create a curated, eclectic look. Mix and match different pieces for a one-of-a-kind table setting that tells a story and transports your guests to another era. Edible elegance. Combine beauty and functionality with edible centerpieces that are as delicious as they are decorative. Create stunning displays of fresh fruits, artisanal cheeses, and gourmet chocolates arranged on tiered trays or elegant platters. Not only will these edible centerpieces serve as eye-catching focal points, but they'll also provide a tempting selection of treats for your guests to enjoy throughout the meal. Geometric chic. Add a modern twist to your dining table with geometric-inspired centerpieces. Incorporate geometric shapes such as cubes, pyramids, or hexagons into your decor through vases, candle holders, or sculptures. Play with metallic finishes or bold colors to create a contemporary look that's both striking and sophisticated. Global fusion. Infuse your dining table with a worldly flair by incorporating global-inspired centerpieces. Mix and match elements from different cultures, such as Moroccan lanterns, African textiles, or Asian ceramics, to create a vibrant and eclectic tablescape. Embrace rich colors, intricate patterns, and exotic textures for a dining experience that feels like a journey around the world. Sustainable style. Make an eco-friendly statement with sustainable centerpieces that prioritize environmental consciousness. Choose natural materials such as reclaimed wood, bamboo, or recycled glass for your decor elements. Incorporate potted plants or succulents for a touch of greenery that not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also promotes sustainability and eco-conscious living. Celebration central. Elevate your dining table for special occasions with celebratory centerpieces that exude festivity and joy. Incorporate elements such as balloons, confetti, or party poppers for a playful touch that's perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or holiday gatherings. Add personalized touches such as custom signage or themed decorations to make every celebration truly memorable. Monochrome magic. Embrace the power of simplicity with monochrome centerpieces that make a bold statement with a single color palette. Choose a dominant color, such as black, white, or shades of gray, and incorporate it into your decor elements such as vases, candles, or floral arrangements. Create visual interest by playing with different textures and finishes within the same color family for a sleek and sophisticated look. Family focus. Showcase your family's unique story and heritage with personalized centerpieces that reflect your shared memories and traditions. Incorporate family photographs, heirloom objects, or DIY crafts created by your loved ones into your table decor. Create a sense of connection and nostalgia that fosters warmth and togetherness during meals shared with family and friends. Artisanal elegance. Elevate your dining experience with artisanal centerpieces that showcase craftsmanship and attention to detail. Seek out handmade pottery, woven textiles, or hand-blown glassware to add a touch of artisanal flair to your table decor. Choose pieces that celebrate traditional techniques and unique textures for a look that's both refined and authentic. Seasonal sensations. Embrace the beauty of each season with seasonal centerpiece ideas that reflect the changing landscape outdoors. In spring, adorn your table with fresh flowers and pastel hues. Summer calls for vibrant fruits and lush greenery. Fall brings warm tones and rustic accents like pumpkins and pine cones. And winter invites cozy elements like candles and evergreen branches. Let nature be your guide as you create tablescapes that capture the essence of each season. Bohemian bliss. Channel free-spirited vibes with bohemian-inspired centerpieces that embrace eclectic patterns, textures, and colors. Mix and match vintage textiles, macrame hangings, and quirky collectibles to create a laid-back, boho chic aesthetic. Incorporate natural elements like feathers, driftwood, and crystals for a whimsical touch that invites creativity and self-expression. Festive flair. Spread holiday cheer with festive centerpieces that capture the spirit of the season. Whether it's Christmas, Hanukkah, Thanksgiving, or New Year's Eve, adorn your table with themed decorations, twinkling lights, and seasonal accents. From sparkling ornaments and glittering garlands to themed figurines and festive table runners, infuse your dining table with the magic of the holidays and create lasting memories with loved ones. Garden gatherings. Bring the beauty of the outdoors inside with garden-inspired centerpieces that celebrate the splendor of nature. Arrange freshly picked blooms, lush foliage, and delicate herbs in charming vases and pots to create a botanical paradise on your dining table. Incorporate garden-themed accents like bird cages, watering cans, and floral wreaths for a whimsical touch that transports you to a tranquil garden oasis. Vintage romance. Transport yourself to a bygone era with vintage romance centerpieces that evoke the glamour and romance of yesteryear. Incorporate antique lace, delicate china, and heirloom silverware for a timeless look that exudes elegance and sophistication. Add touches of soft candlelight and fragrant roses to create an atmosphere of old-world romance that's perfect for intimate dinners and special occasions. Thanks for watching.